Hey y'all, come take a walk with me to a really cool place that absolutely is mesmerizing. It is definitely well away from urban areas that are in town, and wildlife has found this, and it truly is an experience to come out to these rural areas where birds, mammals, your reptiles, everything kind of works together out here. It's brilliant. This huge detention area, and oh my gracious, the birds are active. Wood storks galore, vultures, great blue herons, great egrets, snowy egrets, cattle egrets, little blue herons, tricolored herons. Here comes a great blue heron, just flew in. Here it is, a pretty amazing little spot. Great blue herons, wood storks, vultures, and hinga. In a relationship with the alligators, birds with fish and bill. Never know when who's hungry. And so much more.